Hey everyone, today we're gonna solve the problem number 3300, minimum element after replacement with a digit sum. We have given an integer, and we have to replace each element in nums with the sum of the digits and return the minimum element in the nums after all replacements. For example, if we have an array of 10, 12, 13, 14, the output will be 1. Why? Because if we do the sum of these, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 plus 4 is 5. But we have to return the minimum element in the nums, which is number 1. So we have the output, number 1. First, we have to make these array into strings, the 10, but a string format. And then these digits into the integer and do the sum. So that means that the string, we will loop it over so that it becomes 1 and 0 into a string format. And then using the integer, we will again loop it over so that it becomes integer, and then 1 plus 0, and we will do the sum so that 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And we're gonna do this for loop till we are completed with all the list. And then we're gonna add minimum so that it gets the smallest number from the transformed array. So that means if the result is 1, 3, 4, 5, the minimum will be 1. Now let's put this into action. I'm gonna start with the variable, and then the first thing I'll do is for num in nums. So basically I started the for loop. And then I'll do the sum of integers of the word that I'm gonna start. So I'm gonna name it a digit. Then for digit in, remember, I'm gonna convert this into a string, which is going to be this num. And now I'll return the result, the minimum one. And if I now run the code, it passed all the test cases. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.